you may find yourself in a pinch where you forget your AirPods or AirPod Pros and you're unable to carry on a private conversation, whether it's business or personal, simply because holding a phone to your head, the handset to your phone, oftentimes is audible enough for people in your proximity to hear. Now, you may have at your disposal a decent enough headset, but very likely requires a 3.5 millimeter jack. And as we all know, iPhones haven't supported that for years, which is why you should have in your arsenal of little adapters this is genuine Apple Lightning to female 3.5 millimeter adapter. It easily connects to the headset, and then the headset can easily be connected to the iPhone. And at that point, once you have the adapter ready or connected to your headset, you simply connect it, and that is all it takes. Now at this point, call quality is going to depend on the quality of the headset. In this case, I had the Turtle Bay ear Recon, which was surprisingly very good for a voice quality, and no complaints from people hearing me, and I had no complaints hearing them, and comfortable over the ear, and it allowed me to carry on my conversations just as I wanted to without having to tie up either of my hands. And I did have to be careful for the wired connection to make sure it didn't get caught on anything, but that's far more preferable to deal with than holding a handset to my ear.